It is intolerable.
मार्केट नीचे जा रहा है उसके साथ तुम भी नीचे जा रहे हो. Imagine.
आंख टूट जाएगी. मेरे को फोन आया, वो बोलता है वापस दे पैसा. Go to therapy, buddy. We also got great feedback from who? They're like Kabir Singh, bro. They're like Sandeep Anga Reddy films.
संदीप रेड्डी वाला.
Yeah, that's only.
देखो म्यूट पे डाल के देख लो.
Hate bait, hate rage, anger rage, rage bait, whatever your Gen Z term is. करो, गाली दो, देखो खाली व्यू दो.
बेवफा बेवफा. Ew.
Anyway,
Which is also the feedback we got after episode 1.
this is a sign from God, bro.
He's damn hot.
He is hot
He's
for a
really,
black guy.
really-
He's so fucking hot.
Trump red card controversy. He switched on all the lights and he started hitting my furniture. कि निकलेगा अब डिस्को पार्टी चल रहा है.
Nolan approved.
We are nobodies, bro. I'm Dishti.
I'm Juhi,
This is I'm Free Willy.
who has gone on to this tea style this time. Hi.
Hello. Everything is wrong with us is probably the only podcast where we do our research. We dump our traumas. We really make questionable decisions, but we always come to the wrong conclusion.
Always. And
Always.
act on it. Whilst being aware of the fact that gay galvad. But that's the point.
Correct. But in our first episode, was a villain origin story. But what we really forgot is that they don't know who we are.
Yeah.
And I think this is something we should address this time.
Do you really think that they're ready to
Discover our questionable personality.
Yes. One of the reasons I think we didn't tell them last time is because we were like, no, jitna nahi janoge better hai. But no, I get it.
No, I think it's important.
I think, yes, this is therapeutic, like she rightly said. So,
Let's do baby steps.
baby steps.
Ask me 5 questions.
I think so.
Let's give them like a piece of the pie. Let's
Yeah.
not go all in.
Yeah, we test the waters.
We test the waters, yes.
सही. अच्छा, next वाले में और भयंकर.
Welcome to Everything is Wrong with Us. This is like therapy for us.
Yeah, think of Alcoholics Anonymous. Hi, my name is Juhi. Everything is wrong with me and my problems are. You are welcome to the club. Free Willy is. We do not.
Unfree Willy.
Unfree. We do not discriminate. Man, woman, child, dog, toy. So yeah, that's the point. Therapy, trauma dump, love, have fun.
Yeah. And just enjoy the shit show
Shit show.
that our life is, technically.
वो तो जिंदगी पूरी ऐसे ही रहने वाली है, तेरी भी वैसी.
Statistically,
हाँ,
whoever's watching this pod, I have a feeling something's wrong with them too.
100%.
Don't you think so?
Yeah.
Welcome home, guys.
What is I mean, if there's nothing wrong with you, go to therapy, buddy. It's impossible.
Yeah.
So yeah, welcome to the shit show. Join the gang, join the crew.
But रस्सी.
या ये देखो और दूसरा प्रॉब्लम हम लोग को हाथ में रस्सी लटक रही है, समझ ही नहीं आता है adult people. But that's the point.
So, Juhi, statistically, 80% of the podcasts fail after episode 3 and 20% fail after episode 1.
So what are you implying, Dishti?
Buddy, that we don't fall in this category only. We saw our first cut. We almost did not upload our first episode.
Why, you may say?
Because when we saw it, we sat on it for 8 days and I was terrified.
If I have to tell you, every time I was watching every second pass by, my heart was becoming blacker. Okay? But then I thought, we should send it to 5 of our friends who will give us great feedback.
Yeah, and we did. And those 5 people were our closest friends, like people who've seen us at our worst. People who've lent us freaking money, bro.
तेरे को पता है क्या हुआ था? मेरे को फोन आया, वो बोलता है वापस दे पैसा. और उसका बीवी बाजू में बैठा था, बोलती है I am sorry, I am your best friend, but it is intolerable.
Bro, someone actually called us intolerable.
That happened to you too?
Intolerable.
I think that should go on a t-shirt.
They said कि market नीचे जा रहा है, उसके साथ तुम भी नीचे जा रहे हो. Imagine.
But we also got great feedback from who? People. sitting behind this camera.
Because they have stakes in this podcast.
But think
bro.
about it like that. We're like Kabir Singh, bro. We're like Sandeep Ranga Reddy films.
Sandeep Reddy Wanga.
Yeah, that only. We have polarizing feedback, which is great.
Fair. But
Hmm.
on a serious note,
Mm-hmm.
do you think we should go ahead with this podcast?
Okay, Dishti. Again, being the adult in this relationship. What is the name of our podcast? Say it slowly.
Everything is wrong with us.
Say it loudly.
Everything is wrong with us.
Say it with gaps.
Everything is wrong with us.
Say it from the epiglottis.
I'm not crazy. But technically, we didn't nail the brief.
Hold my hand.
No, thank you.
Come on. What is the name?
Everything is wrong with us.
Say it again.
Everything is wrong with us.
So, are we doing the podcast?
I think we should.
Say it from the
Epiglottis.
So, yes, we should
should
do
do
the
the
podcast.
podcast.
Wrong to wrong. Intolerable to intolerable. मत देख. तेरे को क्या? हमको मजा आता है.
नहीं नहीं देखो म्यूट पे डाल के देख लो
Hate
चलेगा।
bait. Hate rage. Anger rage. Rage bait. Whatever your Gen Z term is. करो. गाली दो. देखो खाली view दो. And by the way, guys, we got an epiphany last week when we were going down the deep dark hole of figuring out what our pod should be. When you abbreviate everything is wrong with us, Dishti, did you realize that it's pronounced as ew? Ew, 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 ew. Which is
also the feedback we got after episode 1.
this is a sign from God, bro. भगवान बोल दिया ew बनाओ, ew होने दो.
यू ही हो रहा है
ew, ew. ew का मतलब
यू
I love you गाना.
Oh shit.
बोल दे everything is wrong with us.
Everything is wrong with
But
us.
anyhow, because we said ew because it's pretty much what the feedback you got from people. What did they say, Dishti? Why don't you enlighten our audience?
So most of our feedback was surrounded around the fact that we are nobodies, bro. Nobody knows us. We
Yeah.
have zero digital footprint.
You must be having zero.
You have?
2000 I had, I removed all of them.
And global scandal?
Yes. Okay.
So essentially, I think this pod should be around getting to know us. Like, why are we so ew?
And also why you should become our friends, for which I have a dedication as a song, Dishti, to you and our audience. कह दो कि तुम मेरे दिल में रहोगे, कह दो कि तुम मुझसे दोस्ती करोगे,
देखूंगी सोचूंगी
कल परसों
भाई तेरे आवाज के साथ तू गा मत यार
कुछ कहूँगी. So, welcome to meeting us. मुझसे दोस्ती करोगे? Question mark. Like, fist bump, question mark. Let's go. Will you say something?
no
Sing the song.
no
If you have to become friends with us and get to know us a little better, we thought instead of us asking boring pakao questions, क्या है तुम्हारा नाम, करती क्या हो, कहाँ
Favorite
से आई
color.
हो, favorite color, denim और shirt, black और blue, वो सब नहीं करेंगे हम. We want to have fun and we want to gamify this whole thing. So Dishti's made a list of 5 questions. I have made a list of 5 questions that will basically reveal our true personality or something close to that. So Dishti, you want to go? Do you want to do one-on-one?
we should do one-on-one.
Let's go.
What is your most irrational habit?
I have a problem of hoarding. If I leave the house now, my bag is like a
Suitcase.
Yeah. So I am so scared that I will be out of certain things in life which are absolutely non-essential items. Like a yarn ball. I go everywhere with a yarn ball and crochet needles.
In your bag.
Yeah, I love to crochet. Like I'm that crazy cat lady who's just really hot and doesn't have a cat but has a dog and young. And I crochet. So I have crochet material and yarn balls. Then I have reading material like my Kindle and a physical book. क्योंकि Kindle मर गया तो क्या करेंगे? तो physical book भी होनी चाहिए. Then I have my laptop, my iPad, 3 chargers, which is essential to life, fine. And I also sometimes carry drawing material, which is like crayons,
But with you everywhere.
Everywhere.
At a bar,
everywhere,
to the airport,
everywhere.
for date night with Darshit.
100%. कि भैया भाभी क्या करेंगे हैं? How was your day?
So what if Darshit pakaus you, you'll just start crocheting?
Yeah, I've done that so many times.
Oh man, no
I did
wonder
a
you all
party.
don't do date nights anymore, bro.
Get married 13 साल पता चलेगा. Yes, so my irrational habit is basically carrying non-essential things with me in my bag.
Makes sense, I
Yeah,
guess.
and I'm a great crocheter, guys. Anyway, so now my turn. If you have to explain, okay, your personality to me in 5 films or shows,
So you mean characters that I really like in films and shows, or just movie titles?
you can take it either way. I would prefer whatever you prefer. Chalo, I'll give you that.
I think I'm like Raju from Fir Hera Feri. 25 दिन में पैसा.
Dumb.
But that is true. Every month I have an epiphany saying I can start this business and 25 दिन में पैसा double, bro.
Last podcast की line फिर से बुलवाएगी कि तेरे aspiration और
भंगार.
role model भी भंगार है. Raju.
I love him, bro.
I love you too.
Okay. That's one.
One.
Second is, I think, Rani from Queen. I have a phase where I'm overly independent. And then I'm calling my mother every 6 seconds saying, Mama, मैं बर्बाद हो गई. मैं बर्बाद, मेरे को बचा लो. मैं बर्बाद हो गई. Third would be, I think I'm a lot like Monica from Friends, bro. I have OCD. I love cooking.
Really?
I love cooking.
You've never made a morsel for me.
I will never do that also. I love cooking. I went from fat to thin.
Oh, you did. Fat
See?
Monica.
Exactly. Fourth would be Evelyn from Everything and Everywhere All at Once, because I have like 47 tabs open in my head. And with every new tab, I'm in a different universe altogether.
Interesting.
Yeah. Lilo from Lilo and Stitch.
I've not seen Ladu.
Buddy, she adopted an alien.
So cute.
I'm adopting you. I'm adopting dogs on a daily basis. So yeah, Lilo.
Fist bump? Question mark? Amaze, amaze, amaze.
You saw the
I fucking saw.
Okay, proud of you. What's your weirdest flex, Juhi?
I actually have two. Okay. One is that I'm a great masker. If you don't know me well enough, you'll never know if I'm faking it or not. I can talk to anybody, everybody, across the board, even if they don't understand my bhasha.
1 second, not true. You have subtitles written all over your face. Yesterday, someone tried to speak to you at Soho House and you were staring at him saying, "Bas, isse zyada baat mat kar mere se."
Yeah, but he was ugly. I couldn't deal with it.
He wasn't ugly, Juhi.
Okay, but it's okay. I couldn't. But when I choose to talk, I can make conversation with anyone.
That's true.
You will not know if I like, dislike, not like. And now you know me well enough to decode my face.
Okay.
My second weirdest flex is that I can learn anything at any time, and I'm a hyper fixator. So I go down these really fun rabbit holes of learning shit, and then I go mad. So throw a skill at me. Challenge. Accepted. I will learn it.
I challenge you to learn how to play pickleball, bro.
Done. Tomorrow, let's go.
With your broken foot.
Now, foot is okay, yaar.
Foot is okay? Okay. Good.
Sports I don't like, but if I have to, I will do.
No, now it's a challenge, bro.
Done. Let's go.
Come on.
What is your most useless talent?
I think my most useless talent is that I can type on a laptop or an iPad or my phone without seeing the screen. And I never make an error. Not even a grammatical error, not even a punctuation error.
Open your iPad. I want this to
Phone
happen
I'll
real
open.
time. Phone. Look at me.
1 second, let me open
I
your
will
chat.
say the words and you will
Don't
type
give me
it out.
tough spellings and all.
I don't
okay?
know. I'm a nice person.
Okay.
Look at me. Type. Dishti claims that she can type without making one minor error. Lilo and Stitch.
Lilo.
Yeah, that only. I don't know all this.
One.
You look.
One minor. I forgot the words, bro. Minor error.
Full stop. Oh, I shouldn't guide you. See, this is the problem.
Lilo and Stitch.
Unfree Willy
Unfree Willy.
for president
For president.
of the world. I will not say political. World.
Okay. Send it to you.
Show me. Let me read. Do not. वो भेज.
And the full stops
Guys.
because you took so much of time. So
Everything is not.
I thought a sentence is over. That's why I was putting the full stop.
देखिए भाई लोग, hello.
Essentially, this is a very DA trait to have.
Oh wait, there's one error.
What is it?
Lol and Stitch.
Oh shit!
But allowed.
Okay.
Allowed.
Okay.
Diya Didi ko points. Well played. What
Whoa. What's something you pretend not to care about but secretly do?
I am a very, very hyper empathetic person. I'm a good person. Now, after saying that, I really wonder how poor people make it by. And I really want poor people to be rich. I truly care about it.
ठीक है, इस बात पे मेरे को जीपे कर दे थोड़े पैसे bro.
You're not poor.
I am very
Like
poor.
sometimes when I'm passing in the rickshaw on Jew Circle and I just look out and I'm like, how? And I really care about it. I really want to figure out a way where you win, and everybody
Juhi,
gets.
you're the same girl who told one भिखारी एक हाथ तो है तो जाके काम कर.
No, those are morals. And this story, why don't you listen? That lady was unwilling to work and had one hand who taunted me. So, I'm not saying they shouldn't be. Okay, let me articulate this well. Poor is a circumstance
Okay.
given to you by God.
Okay.
It's not a choice.
Okay.
80% of the time. So you have to work hard to become better. That bitch was giving me shade. She had the gall to come and beg and tell me, you have 10 rupees for this. I'm like, buddy, you have one hand, go work na. काम कर, फिर देखेंगे.
But you're contradicting yourself,
No,
bro.
no. I want them to do well. I want them to have money not by begging but by working. So guys, please let's start a crowdfund keto. We'll start with the Jew Gully folks. They are 10.
देख, you need spot दादा, you need spot
सबको ले आएंगे.
तू podcast में hire
But
करना
sometimes
पहले.
I really like people will be like, oh, so I'll be like, nahi. You know, some of them come and chato the you know, when they beg. I'm sorry, it's a very random thing, but it's a justification to what I just said. So a lot of times these kid beggars come and you tell them, nahi bhaiya, sorry, or no, aap jaiye. Then they, out of anger, they lick the glass cup. Hey, has it ever happened to you?
No, bro, touch wood.
Are you serious?
Someone licked your car.
Yeah, dude, they get pissed off and they do it as a piss off, okay? And at that time, Darshit was like, what the hell is this person doing? And I was like, yeah. But in my head, I'm like, it's okay, ek aur chat le. If this gives you joy. Yeah, so I feel bad, man.
For poor people.
Yeah. But I care about them. I think everybody does, but I really believe they should be richer.
When was the last time you did charity?
Very often, bro. Dude, I do charity very randomly. Like, there's this one, Jew Gully, a lot of these chakkas. And I love them.
Chakkas.
Yeah.
Chakkas, not chakkas.
Yeah, that. And they're the coolest. Once they told me, "Arey, Didi, aaj to Shilpa Shetty lag rahi hai." I said, -10 karungi. Then one day I told her, and she knows me now because there are a bunch of folks, right? So I'm like, आज छोड़ देना, दीदी नहीं है. तो मेरे को बोलती है, कोई बात नहीं, तू जीपे कर दे. ऐसे ले तू 500 रुपए यार. This is entrepreneurial mind at pro max. Even in begging, she thought of business. So I said, le. So I gave 500 rupees.
Good job.
Because
bro.
I was proud of her entrepreneurial spirit. What is your biggest red flag that you disguise as a personality type? कि ऐसी है. I have many for you.
And okay, tell me if you second this, okay?
Okay.
I do not like to delegate work to people. And I try to do everything myself because I have trust issues. I really cannot delegate work. And now everything I am sitting and doing, and I'm not talking about the podcast, don't worry, don't smile at me like that. But I'm a very bad delegator. I'm a great liar. I love lying.
You know when you ask me, like, what's your number? I can lie like this only. Just for fun.
And I think धीरे धीरे I'm becoming a compulsive liar. Now I love saying white lies, bro. किधर है? ए, निकल गई.
Just to see what happens.
Yeah, just White lies.
This is the mind of a good storyteller, Ladu.
Of course it is, bro. I
You
want
should be.
reactions out of you, so I'm just lying to you saying,
Yeah.
"Hey, Nana gir gaye."
Paap lagega.
Nahi
No,
nahi
but
gir.
I get it. I get it. That's a fun one to have.
Yeah.
How will I know if you've lied to me?
I've lied to you so many times, Juhi.
I'm a Dumbo, bro.
We know. What's your most controversial opinion?
Ugly people shouldn't exist. Full stop. I have no explanation. I do not want to say. Whoever is getting angry, good for you. You think the same. And ugly is also subjective. Don't worry. What is beautiful for me may not be beautiful for you.
Beauty lies in the
Eyes of the beholder. Ugliness shouldn't exist. If there is something that we can do with God, if one wish I will ask, कि
Babe,
भैया सब ugly
one
लोगों को
second, I
काट
have
दो.
a very important question. When was the last time you looked at yourself in the mirror?
I knew this was coming. Did I say I am Aishwarya Rai? Hmm? No. But there is a threshold of ugliness also. Okay, tolerable.
Okay.
Wow. आँख टूट जाएगी.
Juhi, out of 10, what would you give yourself?
Why would you ask me to rate my look? What would you give? Be nice.
I would give you a 4. Maybe in that dress, a 4.5.
Have you any shame? You know what you are? Look at me. Minus.
So you have a problem with ugly people.
I don't have a problem. I just think they're a sore to the eye.
So if I was ugly, you would never start this podcast with me.
You would not
I'm
be my
taking
friend.
it. Just give me the compliment, bro.
Like I said, you're an anomaly. Everything is wrong with us.
Okay, next.
My turn.
Yeah, sorry.
Now you cannot do drama. I know I can't do it. What is your favorite soul song? I have mic there actually, but it's too far away.
Bro, I'm a very bad singer.
Doesn't matter.
My
Karaoke.
soul.
Soul song. Come on.
My soul. Let me think, no?
Take 5 minutes. Come on.
Bewafa. You want to sing for me?
No, you will sing.
बेवफा निकली है तू बस.
झूठा प्यार. This is your soul song.
This is my soul song.
तू
bro.
इतना डार्क है
मैं बहुत
कि
dark.
तेरे को अंदर से खुशी होता है तू बोलता है
बेवफा.
बेवफा. तू खुद को बोलती है मैं खुद को बेवफा निकली. मैं खुद को झूठा प्यार करती हूँ. What is soul song definition?
I don't know, bro.
Soul song meaning song from the
बेवफा.
बेवफा.
You go have one more shot and come, bro.
बेवफा निकली है तू. I'm so sad for you. I'm so sad for you. How can you say this about yourself?
Bro,
this is really
my
put me in a
biggest
trip.
fear in life is to sing and dance in public. So if you ever put me on a spot and you tell me to sing, no, I was a plant once in school, bro. My
No
shakal
wonder
was
you call yourself-
listen to the story. My shakal was this, and there was like a flower, okay, and I had to dance and sing, but my flower only broke. So I was just standing on stage, like, oh, mama, please take me. Mama came on stage, picked me up and took me. So after that, I can't sing and dance in front of people, bro.
So sweet.
If you saw the engagement party dance also,
saw.
I was ekdam piche.
You like
I was walking backwards.
yeah.
What's one thing you've romanticized that turned out to be terrible?
romance.
But you love romance, bro.
I love it.
So tell Darshit na yaar.
अब 13 साल हो गए तू तेरा देख मैं मेरा देखता है मैं खुद को ही फूल भेजता है अभी. Come on, let's go. From Darshit also right on that. But we are married, 13 years, very happy. Lots of romance, but his type is different. My type is different. Send flowers to myself. He watches TV. Wow.
What's the most romantic thing Darshit has done for you?
Jesus Christ.
Out of syllabus?
I'm truly thinking that yeah, accepted our pet child is the most romantic thing he's done for me.
He loves Leila, bro.
But my husband loves the dog.
And you
Dog
love your
loves-
husband.
Love it. The point of this is romance as a concept is romanticized. When Ganga Se Pyar Hai happened in Pardes, I thought I will also have Ganga Se some man. Actually, I have a really great anecdote, okay? When I was marrying Darshit, I told him, it became easy, right? Because we told parents, oh, mujhe pyar ho gaya, mujhe pyar ho gaya. Parents met and they said, good boy and good girl. And they said, wow, wow, get married. So then one day I told him, I said, buddy, अगर पापा ना बोलते तो करता मेरे लिए लड़ाई, करता गंगा से प्यार है तो है. He's like, अरे सू बोले छे यार काइपड़. So then we got into an argument. I said, you would not have done that for me. He's like, but how is that proof of romance? I said, तू करता क्या, गंगा से प्यार है तो है, मैं इससे ही शादी करेगा. Then he's like, काइपड़ नहीं बोल, काइपड़ नहीं बोल. And that is the problem, romanticization of romance. We still don't have that answer from him though, unfortunately.
I love
Says
this
a lot.
answer, bro.
What is the one thing you hope that never changes about you?
Oh,
Please don't say things like Bewafa and all. Just a positive
No,
question. End the segment well.
my ability to be kinder to animals than I am to humans. I would never want that to change about me.
Foote yaar.
Because you made so much fun about my soul song. What is your soul song, bro?
My soul song is very obvious, very logical. It is an Oasis song, and it is incredible. I mean, everybody in the world knows Wonderwall, and especially now, but we'll come to that. But Oasis soul song is Cigarettes and Alcohol. Banger, 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 suno. But Wonderwall.
Sing it for us.
Kaun sa? Cigarettes
Cigarettes
and
and
Alcohol.
Sing, no sing. You made me sing. Sing.
Is it my imagination, or have I finally found something worth living for?
I'm sure Liam will be crying, bro.
Liam, he will be like, yeah, would you fancy some lasagna? If anybody doesn't know that, go check it out. It's insane. Liam Gallagher comes and says this weird shit line on stage all the time. But Wonderwall is my happy, happy, happy. Like, as an Oasis fan, you're looked down upon if you like Wonderwall. But with this incredible football World Cup, Wonderwall has made its right and true comeback.
Hi guys, welcome back to Everything is Wrong with Us. Before you move ahead in this particular episode, just a quick note that this episode was shot on the 15th of July, but because of everything that was happening across the country and everything that unfolded during the protests, Juhi and I, along with our producers, were deeply taken aback, and uploading an episode during that time did not feel right. So we decided to put a pause on the release. However, we're uploading it now, which is either the 1st or the 2nd of August. And we really, really hope that you enjoy watching it as much as we enjoyed shooting it. And please like, share, and subscribe. And see you next week. Thank you.
So, तू football follow करी है जरा भी नहीं?
But I saw the Wonderworld thing.
Yeah, so essentially every club has their songs, every team has their song. The history is very lengthy, let's not get into it. But for England, one of the
Song
songs,
was
one of the
Sweet
there was Sweet Caroline that you are aware of, right?
Yes.
You've heard like that. There are these reels that are going viral of that Prince Harry singing Sweet Caroline.
I love that song, bro.
It is a sweet
It's a
song, but
really
watching
nice song.
Prince Harry sing Sweet Caroline kind of scarred my.
You're a
Song.
hater for no reason.
मजा आता है. मजा आता है.
Fair.
हाँ. So and it's been a while since England's kind of really won the World Cup. So Sweet Caroline was there. Hey Jude became very recent in the last, I think, the FA or the UEFA, one of the two, in 2020. And Hey Jude is dedicated to Jude Bellingham. Okay, and this bugger is.
He's damn hot.
He is hot
He's
for a
really,
black guy.
really-
He's so fucking hot.
He's really good
I can
looking.
actually decipher his features because
He's really good looking.
he
bro.
is very good looking and he's a teenager, bro. And he's been like a star, okay, in this whole England thing. So, and the captain, Kane, okay, he's a big Oasis fan logically because comes from that time and is older. The DJ started playing Wonderwall and suddenly everybody erupted. And that is a video I sent you, remember?
And it was really surreal.
It
Like,
was mad.
do you imagine a song that was written in 1996,
Much
1995?
before. Yeah.
And but my whole take on this is that culture has such a compounding effect. that
Yeah.
a song that was written in 1995,
Yeah.
people in the stadium are singing that song.
And imagine
I was
how-
not born in 1995, bro, and I know the song.
Yeah, that is insane, right?
That's
Like
the
music is such a unifier.
Compounding effect of music and culture. And
Yeah.
Oasis did create culture.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah,
100.
in their
They-
own way. For your generation, like
Yeah.
for us, Oasis was a meme. We
Are
were-
you serious?
Hey,
I didn't know this.
Hey, play Wonderwall.
What?
It's a very trending meme, bro. That's how Gen Zs know of Wonderwall.
No way.
Yes, bro.
My song became a meme.
Yeah,
But that is also a sign of pop culture.
exactly.
But like for us, Oasis was
Culture, pop culture.
yeah,
Back in
dude.
your time.
Yeah, they were like the next Beatles, and like when I saw Wonderwall, and it was unreal to see all the boys come together the first time and just get together with the crowd and sing it. And people say that singing music as a community and a collective happens in very few times, either as
Fair.
war cries because you're kind of getting your blood rushing,
Fair.
either as a sense of belonging. Celebration for sure, and also as a sense of belonging that this is my tribe. And the fact that Wonderwall has become the next one after Jude and after Caroline and Jude and this, दीदी की taste मस्त है. तो मैं and then I go and say you should after every time ना Liam के tweets देख.
But
Class.
Spotify also, I think they got some 13 million views after this football match, bro.
You're absolutely right. अभी मैं देख रहा था कल कि it went up in number from some
Like, it really
50
spiked.
to 11 or
Yeah,
something.
it
But,
really spiked.
but that's what music does.
But
dude.
I was reading a fun fact that Oasis, they've actually monetized sibling rivalry, bro.
Yeah.
And it gives so much hope to Indian culture because all siblings are fighting against each other, bro. But Liam and who's the other guy?
Noel Gallagher.
Noel actually monetized this shit.
I'm a purist. I would love to defend their stand.
But they monetized
They did.
sibling rivalry, bro.
Yeah, but also that's who they are, right?
That doesn't matter.
But मजा आएगा.
मजा आएगा.
मेरा भाई होता तो क्या मारा मारी इधर
Exactly.
WWE चालू कर देती. मैं रिंग
Exactly.
लगाती, तू अंडरटेकर, मैं केन, फिर अपन
But
पूरा.
they monetize the shit out of it, bro. They're so rich because of royalties. It's not even funny.
But that though, what has Taylor Swift done? Think about it.
Yeah.
I mean, that woman has, and the Era store is essentially equal to the GDP of like small countries or more.
Yeah, but the
And
whole
the-
tour, I'll tell you what's happening. Everyone's going through a Taylor Swift fatigue.
As in,
She's everywhere. Like the 3rd of July, the 4th of July,
what is that?
the day she got married,
When was the wedding?
3rd of July,
Oh.
4th of July.
4th is Independence Day for America.
Exactly. She booked Madison Square Garden that day. There
Oh,
were
yeah,
150
yeah.
cops that
I came
day.
across something like that I was skimming through Instagram.
Yes. And literally, we have no information about the wedding.
But why would she do that? Doesn't she belong to her fans? Technically?
No, I mean, privacy is cool, bro. Privacy is
I'm
a
not saying-
luxury.
As a celebrity, I disagree.
No, I think I'm with the privacy part
Listen,
of things.
Fair. I agree with privacy, but Taylor Swift should be giving her fans exclusive access to her wedding.
No, bro.
Why not?
Because I think we all are going through a Taylor Swift fatigue. It's a great marketing. You're a marketer. It's a great marketing move, bro.
I get it. To contain it for some time, it's great. But for her fans, so I
But
think they should
eventually
be
she
there.
will, no?
अब वो तो पूरी दुनिया के लिए करेगी.
तो एक फैन को बुलाएगी क्या
No,
wedding
but
पे?
like if I was Taylor Swift marketing manager,
Thank you not.
I would have called and filled up Madison Square Garden with only select fans.
No, bro.
And no
No.
phones, nothing.
No.
Anyway.
No.
But good for them. She married a NFL player, no?
Yeah. He's
Why are you
damn cute.
smiling?
He's damn cute. Bro.
Yeah, but he's very like, yo.
Yeah.
If
Yeah,
he
it's
thinks
Kelsey.
it's a love story, baby, just say yes. Can you imagine how it would sound?
I can.
Okay.
I really can.
Yeah, he has some podcast shit also.
Yeah, bro, it is so cool. Taylor Swift came on that pod. You know that, no? The day he proposed, you would have no idea. You call yourself a Swiftie, Juhi.
I'm a fake Swiftie. I just like some of her songs, which
That don't
the
know.
young kids have taught me.
Which young kids?
One sitting here.
Bhavya?
Yeah. It's a love story. Shake it off, shake it off. Like there are ginke char. Like how you would know Oasis, I would know
Then do
Taylor.
not call yourself a Swiftie.
When I said,
You keep saying, bro, I'm UE like the Swiftie.
oh, if
You keep saying that, bro. What happened with the Trump red card controversy?
Okay, so by default, okay, now ground rule, you cannot challenge a decision by a referee. It's an unwritten rule. Mr. Trump, when USA was playing Bosnia, their striker, okay, and everybody was really rooting for the US team this time because they are like folks who haven't ever come to this scale, and they were a good team or are a good team, whatever. Their striker got a red card, and if you get a red card, you cannot play the next game, and that game was with Belgium. Trump picks up the phone on Gianni Infantino. Infantino, is that his name? Anyway, the FIFA chair. And Trump asked him to look into it. Cut to next day, the red card decision has been reversed. Everybody lost their plot
No shit.
worldwide, and logically so, right? And Trump pumped about it in a very "देखो मैंने किया," okay. Anyway, the funnest part of this whole thing was when they actually did play Belgium with the striker. Belgium defeated them 4-1 and they took Trump to like the pits, okay? They tweeted a picture saying, overturn this, of Belgium winning.
I saw that.
And
But is it because US is hosting the FIFA?
100%, bro. Trump wants to win everything. That Gianni Infantino, now that we are christening him that, has given him a fake FIFA Peace Prize because Trump never got a Nobel Peace Prize.
What?
Yes. Yes. So Trump thinks, wow, I will call, they will win. And I feel so bad, honestly, for the American team.
Why are we mixing geopolitics and sports, bro?
Welcome to Kalyug.
And I don't even like sports that much.
Yeah, I mean, it's sad, but it is what it is. So, of course, there's politics at the back end, but you cannot, like, there are certain ground rules, like rules of war, right? कि रात में कभी war नहीं करेंगे. Like, there are ground rules you cannot do. How can you tell somebody to overturn a red card and the president of a country?
But isn't that Trump for you? I'm surprised that you're surprised.
Yeah, I know, but it's sad. And you know what I felt worst is that the American team was actually being rooted for before that because they were like the dark horses, man.
And now
after that,
shitting on
everyone
them.
is shitting on वो बेचारे बच्चे की क्या गलती है? उसको तो फालतू की गाली पड़ी.
And what is Trump's reaction now?
Nothing.
Radio silent.
Next news cycle.
Content ecosystem.
Content ecosystem. Flood the zone. ये तू latent देखी क्या?
You saw that Trump guy who latent
Class.
I really want to get him on the pod.
I stalked him on Instagram. We'll write to him, but after seeing this episode, I don't think he'll want to come. But no, I want to know, what do you think of Latent?
Dude, I loved the first episode.
What?
I'm a very, very big Alia Bhatt fan.
Okay.
And I think she presented herself so well. She was really classy about everything.
Question.
Okay.
Did you like Latent and Samay Raina overall?
I love clean humor, bro.
Clean humor's fair. So
I loved the episode, the first episode.
Copy.
I'm very happy with no gali galoch, no insults. I'm very, very happy with it. Like a very PG version of India's Got Latent, which I can sit with my mother also and watch, bro.
Fair.
So I'm rooting for this season for some reason. Yeah.
But you never liked Samay Raina's brand of comedy or like the OG Latent.
I did, but I don't mind this either.
Yeah,
I'm still laughing, Juhi. Without him abusing in Hindi and English and insulting people.
That is comedy. I mean, comedy has been reduced
correct.
to...
I'm still laughing without a lot of abusive language playing in the background. Yeah. So I don't mind it at all.
Fair.
And I loved Sharvari, bro. Because of Latent, I went and saw Main Wapas Aaunga. And you have to see the film.
I can't. It's too heartbreaking.
Dude, it is Imtiaz Ali.
Why? Tell me why I should watch. What did it do?
It's a beautiful film. I was weeping like a 5-year-old.
But okay, tell me the premise of the story.
It's a partition story. You don't know the premise of Main Wapas Aaunga?
I want you to tell me about this.
So it's about this young boy who was stuck in partition. He had to leave his village. When he came, and he had a lover in the village, of course. He, till his deathbed, could not get over his ex.
See, this is probably romanticization.
This is what Darshan should be doing, bro.
But then what happens? So the movie is about the boy finding the girl.
Then the grandson is gone back to the village to find this lady.
So partition में बिछड़ गए दोनों
basically. Bro. The grandson's gone back to Pakistan to find this lady.
Leila will do for us. Bhau करके we'll find.
We'll try.
But like, why were you weeping?
Because it's such a
I want to know what like moved
bro,
you.
no matter, even if you were not born in that era, I think Partition holds such a deep
Hmm.
feeling in your heart. Okay, you feel it, bro.
So was it the partition or the love story? Or everything together?
I think both.
I've heard Nasir has done a great job.
He is fabulous. His
Yeah.
screen presence. There's this one last scene when he does this on video call.
Hmm.
Bro, I'm weeping. With me, Rizwan is weeping. And I'm like, oh shit, what is happening? But what a beautiful film.
Yeah.
Please go to the theater. And
नहीं होगा. मैं दुखी चीजें अभी देखती हूँ ना, मैं पूरा ट्रिप पे चला जाता हूँ. फिर मेरा सोल सॉन्ग बेवफा हो जाएगा. But yeah, I've heard great things about her. And Sharvari is a damn good actor, dude. Like, she's damn good. If she plays her cards well.
But I'm guessing you didn't like Latent at all.
No, I didn't want to call. I was disappointed in Latent for no other reason, but if you have built your brand of comedy on exactly what you said, I love clean comedy too, okay? And I'll tell you, I actually enjoyed the second episode way more than the first.
I hated the second
Why?
episode. There was nothing. Bro, okay, the table was great, but the talent coming in was shit. Shittiest talent.
I just found that cat throwing a clap.
It was, what the hell was happening, bro?
It's brain rot. But I like that girl also. So cute she was.
That chink.
Yes, sir. Sorry. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And I'm like, bro,
I think
क्या baller है यार? And क्या shade मारा उसको. And I felt this is what I also, a little observation that kind of hit my head for season 1 season 1 episode 1. Alia looked like she was in a hostage video, bro. You could see the cuts. के ये काटो.
Yeah, but
don't do it then.
But you are promoting a film, bro.
Don't go. If you're so afraid, don't go. But anyway, I had a lot of fun looking at her like she's about to shit herself. And my entire
She
Latent
handled
episode.
it very well, bro.
Yeah. To be fair,
Both of them.
to be fair, her thing was like, shut up, that's Samay. ऐसे थोड़ी बोलते like दादी माँ. But well played. I mean,
Yeah.
there was no other segue out of this.
Yeah.
And what I really liked,
One
somebody
second.
said, लड़की को क्या चाहिए? पैसा. And she was कौन बोला? I was like, ले दीदी.
It happened again in a news interview also.
Yeah?
Yeah, when the crowd said, paisa chahiye.
But
She played it very
she
well.
calls it out,
But one
well
second,
played.
you have managed talent for a very, very long time.
I've managed one part of the world, yes.
Would you send Alia for Latent?
Look, man, you know what you're getting into when you're doing something like
Correct.
this. Either you take it on the chin and fly, you can play safe the way.
Which Sharvari did.
Yeah, but also I understand why Alia wouldn't, because one wrong word will break it for her. So,
I mean, she didn't know the president 10 years back.
yeah.
And you still ask her the same question
It's
on
sad.
repeat. Bro.
It's sad. I mean, I don't blame her, but I don't know. I would have probably handled Latent better as Alia, but I also get it. It's very easy to say sitting here. But I love the fact that she did hostage situation. Shut up, yeah, Samay, you can't make these jokes at them. And I loved how so cutely she danced with that person.
Yeah, I think the end of the episode was the better part of the
Yeah,
episode.
100%. I would never go to a theatre to watch my Vapas.
Bro,
I'll definitely wait for
You
it.
would not go to a theater for anybody.
For Shah Rukh, yes.
For Shah Rukh. Like, I had to force you to go and watch Obsession.
Yeah, that was one of the nicest things she's done for me. And through this whole podcast, she's only been abusing me. So no problem. I will give you points for
I
this.
booked the wrong ticket for you.
I am aware of that. But that was actually incredible.
Because I hated the film. My unpopular opinion is that I hated the film.
Tell me why.
Dude, I don't want to leave a theater feeling that my brain has been jarred. I just felt sick after leaving the theater.
Like
I was
sick
like,
as in like ulti sick.
ulti sick now. I was just sick of love, bro. Like, disgusting.
But that was the point of
That
the film.
was the point, but I don't. It's a very subjective thing. I don't want to leave the theater feeling uneasy. So my unpopular opinion is that Obsession is a tad bit overrated. Great director, great actors, great technicians,
Yeah.
great Easter eggs.
Yeah.
I've read the screenplay twice.
Easter eggs क्या थे उसमें?
Bro, the cat.
Oh
which
yeah,
is
yeah.
Walking and staring like the cat.
Yeah. Oh yeah, those Easter eggs. Yeah, fair. Like the cat in this
The
thing.
cat
Yeah,
does
yeah,
not move out of depression if the owner leaves the house. So that girl did not move for 8 hours.
Interesting. This theory was pretty much a
Yeah.
thing that she's
So
like
all that is great, but the feeling that it evoked, just messed me up a little.
You didn't find it funny?
No, bro.
You know when you, it's very surprising. मेरे को बहुत funny लगा picture. मेरे को इतना मजा आया. So Gone Girl is one of my
I love that book.
all-time favorite films. Great book. Very rare book made into a film.
I like the book more.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Interesting. Why?
It's just more, I know when I can shut the book and go back and enjoy life. I can never pause a film or a show. So for me, that's a great break to have. Like Obsession also, I was watching like this after one point. I was like, I can't see this.
I was clapping.
Did you whistle?
Not really. Okay, I want to know what is the. Okay, you felt coming out icky and like sick and like yuck. What did I watch? But wow, what did I watch?
Ew! Wow! What did I watch? Same reaction after podcast.
कि ये क्या हुआ?
ये क्या हो रहा है? क्या देख लिया मैंने?
I love how you are comparing Obsession and everything is wrong with us in एक sentence में हमने बोल दिया. मजा आ गया. But fair. Okay. I went in thinking कि गान फट जाएगी.
Correct.
I cannot watch horror films to save my life.
Correct.
I have no appetite or stomach.
We booked a 4 p.m. ticket for Juhi so that when she steps out, there's some sort of sunlight.
Like she had prepped me, okay? So I was like, okay, I'll watch. And also, I should watch good films. So गए दीदी ऐसा डिंग 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 करके उसमें भैया को भी बुलाया हमने जिसमें ये बच गई. Ma'am had booked wrong tickets. And Darshit wanted to come, so I was booking. She's like, oh, Veer, I'll मुझे क्या? Then she told me that ma'am had booked wrong tickets. So Darshit came. Now, I went in with paranoia and lots of popcorn and Pepsi and food because डर लगेगा तो खाना खाने लगो, you know. But 5 minutes in, and I was like, this is not scary at all. I found it incredibly amusing because it breaks down and takes off the peels of human psychology in such a dangerous yet cool way.
Cool? No. Dangerous, yes.
Buddy, you know when I realized I'm in this film, ye le tu. When that scene where I think the next morning he comes and after I don't know the chronology but correct me if I'm wrong. वो I think वो खड़ी रहती है इतने टाइम के लिए.
Oh God.
वापस आता है सब साफ वाफ करती है. फिर नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग वो काम के लिए निकल रहा होता है and she's like you're good ना वही है ना वही
She tapes the entire door.
So when and yeah, so at that time, right, I did not expect that. Okay, so you know what kind of clicked for me is that he's asking her, and she's like, yeah, baby, go. And he turns around and the way he starts talking and delivering the dialogue. Cut to the door. कैसा किया मैं भी करेगा.
कैसे सोचा bro?
It's incredible. Like it is. You literally. I don't know how he would have thought of it. But if you had to write a film like, which was your favorite scene before we come to that?
Oh, from Obsession?
Yeah.
My favorite scene? Oh, the restaurant scene. No.
Not that I kept doing
no,
that. That is great.
I love.
Why?
She's a fab actor, bro. She's being considered for fourth wing.
What? She's very hot as well, dude.
She's been considering for fourth.
She'd be a great casting for it. She'd be a great.
So that no. I thought we're having a good time. It's so good. I think she killed it.
She's fab. Sorry. She's fab.
That's my favorite scene.
You know what my most favorite scene?
I don't want to know.
Don't
remind me.
वो आके उसको मार देती है ना उसकी दोस्त को.
ओ भाई.
I love it. सीधा मैंने फिर अनकट देखा था घुसा डंग मर गई वो. Okay. But the creepy is like I said, right? Like how it peels off human psychology. She goes to the other side and just holding him and saying, it's okay, you wanted this, my love. I did this for you. And I'm like, and I looked at Darshit and he's like, just shut up.
But that jump scare really,
it was insane.
I was shitting in my pants, bro. I was like, what the fuck is happening?
मेरे को बहुत मजा आया. मैं ताली वाली
I've learned a new hack.
What?
If you're watching a movie and you're getting scared, just stuff popcorn in your mouth and keep chewing so loudly that you only hear. So through the film, I'm just chewing popcorn saying, bus. I was like, stop it. I did not sign up for this shit, bro.
But, you know, I'll give you an example. It's a very stupid anecdote. After we left Obsession, okay, Darshit has no opinions about films, okay? मेरे को इतना मजा आया ना. वो कुछ भी देखता है, वो अजीब आदमी है. वो एक दिन वो सौदा देखता है, एक दिन वो दिल्ली ब्लिंग देखता है और ही हंसता है.
दुबई
हाँ वही दुबई ब्लिंग ही हंसता है.
दुबई
अरे वो अजीब प्राणी आदमी है.
पॉडकास्ट क्यों नहीं पसंद आया ब्रो? He's into trash
He-
content.
He thinks his humor is better than ours. I said correct. Anyway, so I asked him, and this is such an insight into a mind, right? Again, psychology. I'm like, bro, kya tha? I'm like, this is what I can do, and obsession. I'm like, it is so interesting that guy was so self-involved that he knew he's wrecking her life and still whatever, versus her and how she's obsessed. We were like breaking it down. Darshit comes and tells me, but you know what I thought would happen in the end? Class. I'm like, what? She's like, मेरे को लगा ना कि वो अंदर अभी वो जो when he took
Yeah.
the pills and before he was about to die, मुझे लगा that girl will go with the guy who won $1 billion. Because money, na bro. I said, "Arey."
Finance, bro.
But that's
Thing
what
to
I'm
say.
saying. That's what I'm saying. It tells you so much about a psycho. He's like, no, but that's the logical thing. I said, yes, but obsession is not about logic. It is about want. He's like, I'm like, तू पैसे के पीछे मर जाएगा. तू मेरे को भी मार देगा. ये obsession अगर तेरे पे बंद तो तू मेरे को भी गोली, तू मेरे को तो 1 सेकंड में गोली मार देता और उसके साथ डीलिंग करता. But see, it brought out such interesting insights. Lot of fun. So we've gone down this whole rabbit hole of the stuff we've seen, watched, and what's happening around. Maybe got a little more insight into who we are, but coming back to getting to know us better, best part of the pod. This game is about how wrong are we. So there are 3 categories. There is something called guilty as charged, show you're guilty as charged. Then there is I'd want to do that. I've always wanted to do that, but never had the guts to do. And no way, bro, ये हमारे से भी थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया.
Morally
And
incorrect.
Morally incorrect. Okay. And these are things that everybody thinks, does, never says out loud. So here we go. We are taking drunk, stoned, and stupid and making it our own version. What we will do is I will read out a prompt. You pick up the card.
Done.
Okay. The first one is we do it because it's cool.
Really?
I can't. I can't pull off only lie. I can't look cool only. Would trash talk at the Special Olympics? We all have done it. Have you seen those reels you
Yeah.
sent me, Dishti? Dishti sends me wheelchair racing reel. Then I share back with her.
My algo is messed up because of you.
Yeah. Uses inspirational quote in their email signature.
You really want to do that? What quote would you use?
An Oasis lyric, right? Like,
Fair. I read a signature that went like, if I don't reply before 3 days, don't worry, I have ADHD, I will circle back. And I would love to use that.
so you would want like snarky ones.
yeah.
I'd be like, bar bar haan, boliya. Will speak to you only via text. I've always wanted to do that. Like
I'm a
only.
texter, bro. Please don't call me.
Should have been a hippie in the 60s. 100%.
You.
100%. मेरे को मजा आ जाएगा. किधर भी उठो, किधर भी सो, किधर भी गाना गाओ, किधर भी तंबूरा बजाओ, कुछ भी दारू पियो. Come on, let's go. Who is allergic to everything? And when I say everything, not food, people, things, place. Yeah, this podcast does prove that. Have danced on tables.
Ah,
Yeah,
bro.
Yeah.
Fallen off tables also.
No. I'm destined to be a trophy wife. You want to be destined?
I think I'll be a great wife, bro.
Trophy wife.
Trophy wife.
You want it?
No, but I think I still will be a great wife.
Yeah, same. I'm tired. I want somebody to just keep. Goes to foreign country to find themselves. I am fully that vibe, bro. I will travel. I will see the world.
I really want to do a solo trip, bro.
Really?
Yeah, it's on my bucket list.
It will
to a
change your
foreign-
life.
Yeah.
Is directionally challenged.
Oh, buddy.
I mean, no.
No, bro. मेरे को left, right कुछ समझ ही नहीं आता.
पता है
Remember,
मुझको?
Manju? We highway we got stuck because
Ma'am is driving car.
she told me take right. I have taken left.
And then she started shouting at me, तू गलत बताई. I said, हाँ भाई, तू ही सही है, मैं ही पागल हूँ. We'll do anything for $5. 100%.
अरे
100% $5 क्या $1 के लिए भी क्या बोलो तंबूरा बजाए क्या करे सब करेंगे.
किया ना हमने पॉडकास्ट चालू.
गलत decision. Believes that is always punctual but incapable of being on time.
You too.
No.
No, bro.
No.
Sorry.
No. I wanted to do that. I am always punctual.
Not at all. Punctual doesn't mean reaching a place on time. If you have to send something on time, if you have to finish your work on time, if you have to deliver something on time.
Why don't you Google meaning of punctual? Apologizes for everything they have ever done. That's why she was shouting 5 minutes ago.
No chance.
I will only apologize.
She'll
Bomb गिरा
apologize.
मैंने किया हाँ sorry भैया.
She'll apologize for everything.
Yeah, that's why she bullies me also. Thinks Africa is a country.
Isn't Africa a country?
It's
a continent. It's a
Outside you don't want to showcase
It's a
intellect.
continent. Sorry, I got confused.
Pick no way. No way. Thinks reality TV is real.
Really?
Yeah, dude. I believe.
Okay.
I'm a believer. Like I'm a pushover. Laughs at jokes they don't get. No. No. I can't. You'll know my face only. कि क्या बोला पागल? Idiot.
क्या बोला idiot?
Excuse me. If you are incapable of impromptu, not my problem statement.
Improvise.
Improvising. What is that? Improv comedy का हमें मैं तुम्हें थोड़े classes लगवाऊंगी.
Please
करना, हाँ?
लगाना, please.
ठीक है. Who has peed in pool?
1 second. I've peed so many times and looked around yellow. Biology. Basic biology. If you're taking a shower or water touches you,
सुसु आती है?
सुसु आती है. So that's why they tell you to shower and enter the pool so that you can pee first and then enter the
No,
pool.
I think it must be more for hygienic
No,
reason. I don't
no.
think it's because water
It's
touches.
basic biology. If you touch water,
Google
you.
it.
I'm telling you, bro.
Now, tell me that one thing that went wrong with you last week. Like this is a permanent fixture that we are going to keep. So we will tell you wrong stories.
Bro, I have unlocked a new fear. So I went for drinks with my friends, and at 2 a.m. I've come like little tipsy back into my room, and suddenly there was this centipede who was dancing in my room. Okay, so my vision sucks, but my peripheral vision is so good that I saw like a centipede walk around my room. So I ran to my father, saying there's a centipede in my room, and he said, "Hey, 3:30 बजे centipede कैसे आया?" I said, "मेरे को नहीं पता." So he said, "Okay, I'm coming." He switched on all the lights and he started hitting my furniture. कि निकलेगा अब disco party चल रहा है. So the centipede came out and he said, "Dishti, give me a spray. I've given him my Moroccan hairspray. I was drunk. Okay, so he's actually spraying it and then you can smell the Moroccan hairspray everywhere. So he's just looked at me and he's got existential crisis कि मैंने इस बच्ची पे ना इतना इन्वेस्ट किया है, कोई इतना stupid कैसे हो सकता है?
But वो सूंघ करके centipede बाहर आया कि नहीं कि wow what smell yummy नहीं.
So then he's like, give me an insect spray. Now, bro, I'm also 6-7 drinks down. I don't know where the insect spray is. So I'm like, up, it's saying maru. My father's finished the Moroccan hairspray. But the centipede did not die.
Then where is it living now?
No, then we tried to move the furniture. We found the centipede.
How big was it?
Bro, my fear was this big. But so now, and then I Googled. कि there's a chance that the centipede can enter your ear and eat your brain. So I put cotton buds in my ear and sleep, bro.
But I don't blame you.
It's a fear. I am so scared of insects, no.
That was the worst thing that happened to you.
Last
There was a
week.
centipede in the home.
I used Moroccan hairspray to kill it.
Basically, you finished a whole bottle of Moroccan hairspray over a centipede that did not die. And your dad had an existential crisis about what kind of child he has raised. Not a bad story.
Not bad at
a
all.
good, wrong thing to happen. इससे बुरा क्या ही होगा? Interesting.
What happened with you?
I realized,
You also had a cockroach account.
it's very weird that we have insect problem statements here. I've gone to a bar. I was also a little few drinks down. And anyway, like women, paranoia, you have to squat and pee because
Correct.
like whatever. I don't work out. So think about that. I have to actually be like, बहुत जोर में लगती है. So you squat 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm like, नहीं हो रहा है. Hold P, get up. Okay, why are you ready? Then squat again. Okay. So that's why susu process. Now I see there's a cockroach there, bro. मेरे फट गई भाई because also cockroach, right? And in my childhood, when cockroach had gone up my pants and yeah, dude, I cannot begin. And it was white in color. I have never seen a white cockroach.
White color cockroach.
It was the creepiest, and I thought it will eat me.
Fair.
Like it has traumatized my childhood. Okay. So I saw that cockroach, baby cockroach था बेचारा. Okay. But I'm like, मैं सुसु करूँ कि cockroach को देखूँ कि squat करूँ. So I was doing 3 multitasking, and then there was this straight question in my head that is life this tough that I have to pee while keeping an eye on a cockroach, or I might not get to pee because of a cockroach.
Interesting.
No,
No.
it didn't work for you, but it was very scary for me at
I'm
that
sure.
time because I had to make
I'm
3
sure.
decisions.
No. I can relate.
So that
with
was
this
the
fear.
worst thing that happened.
But did you try to like pee faster? Put as much pressure
No,
as you
I
can.
think my anxiety kind of. I don't have a fight or flight. I have a faint. So I paralyzed.
Oh,
so
shit.
Susu also became slow. So I said, "Arey." Then in my head I was like, "You can do this. You can't get scared of cockroach. You can't get scared of cockroach. It's just a cockroach. Pee through it. Do it." And when I came out, I felt like I won a battle.
Fair. Good job, buddy.
That was the worst
I would have
thing.
died.
It
I would
was
have
just
fainted
my
on the
psychological
spot.
failure because I don't have physical capability to keep squatting, so it was increasing my time with cockroach.
Makes
Then I
sense.
realized I have no fight or flight. I have faint.
Don't you scream when you see an insect?
Yeah, I do. But I was in a bathroom, dude.
So someone would have come and rescued you, bro.
Rescue मतलब तो भी pants तो ऊपर करना है.
Fair.
You have to dress yourself up before stepping out. Like that only run.
Fair.
like hooligan.
Makes sense.
So I was like, you get over the fear. I mean, that was the closest to worst.
I have a very important question for you. Do you have any knowledge about Greek mythology?
No.
Do you think we should study the Greek mythology?
Why are you asking this? I'm scared.
Before we see Odyssey, bro.
Oh yeah, it is releasing this weekend.
Yeah, I think so. Yes.
I can't wait to see it. अरे भाई, मैं तेरे को बताऊं, I love Nolan movies. Okay, Interstellar, बाप, Oppenheimer, mediocre but
But the
Cillian
book was
Murphy.
better.
Yeah, book was 100%
100 times
better.
better.
And also like it's a great biographical. And Cillian Murphy, look at his eyes. Take my money, take my kidney, take my hair. Okay, take my children, my will, everything. So I was really excited. Then I saw premiere. Did you see what happened at fan? By the way, Bhavya was there.
I know.
He
has a picture with Nolan. He has Nolan's autograph, bro.
That I didn't know.
Yeah, I just saw
We'll
it.
drop it.
Yeah, we should.
We will.
We should put it here.
Oh yeah. Nolan approved.
Nolan approved.
Everything is wrong with us. But no, what did you truly think? Like, I thought it was a fucking joke the way they did the whole thing. But
I mean, it really works for the country. I think it was crazy that he was having chai and bun maska. I think it was really crazy to come. The fact that Nolan is coming to India actually proves that India is now in the content map, bro.
yeah, I mean, look at the number of
Yeah,
population
so-
and revenue they get out of us.
Exactly.
They better do their
And
press rounds here.
Nolan is the only filmmaker that is actually bigger than the cast. So if he's sitting and having chai and bun maska, he's won my heart, bro.
I get it, but show better India ना ये
No,
क्या
it's okay.
Slumdog Millionaire Part 5
चलेगा
यार.
Bro, masses, yaar. Which
But fair. But I get it. I would just love a better projection of what.
it's not
India
that they went
should
to a
be.
chai tapri. They went
No.
to like a proper restaurant.
I know
could
they
see
want like to
fan
the
AC.
old Irani cafe
Yeah,
type places.
but that's culture of India also, no?
But there are better, like go to Leopold, go to Gokul, go to. I just felt like this is Slumdog Millionaire Part 3, and the faces of all the people who were eating and drinking, they were like zehar kha rahe hain.
नहीं यार.
Camera ke.
Bro, Tom looked damn happy, bro.
No,
See that
bro.
picture.
Look
He's
at
smiling like
Yeah,
this.
because he's an actor. But वो reels देखा जो side से लोग लेते हैं, no.
Crazy.
It was. I just thought they should have done a better.
But I really
Portrayal
wanted
of
to
India.
be there for the premiere.
मेरे को तो पता ही नहीं था वो लोगों ने guest list कैसे बनाई.
Even I don't know.
ये भव्या को पूछेंगे next time.
But imagine breathing the same air as Christopher Nolan.
That's
bro.
true. That is true. But okay, Nolan Scorsese.
Nolan.
No.
Bro, the fact that I have to see a Nolan movie and go back to YouTube and see 6 other videos to understand the film
No.
is crazy, bro.
No. I'm a Scorsese. If I had to pick, Scorsese.
Bro, no.
Out and out. Out and out.
Nolan.
Bane.
Like, he makes you do homework before and I'm going to read the Greek mythology before I go and see the
Yeah, I
Odyssey.
think we should. We totally should research.
So
a little
imagine
about it.
I'm doing homework before the film and then I'll have to go and do homework after the film.
So you like Nolan for homework?
I love Nolan for
No,
homework,
I'm
bro.
kidding. Yeah, but I get it. I think he's very. He's मतलब अगर हमारे if I had to draw a parallel, like Rohit Shetty's Mass Masala, Mass Film of India. One minute, I'm not comparing Nolan to Rohit Shetty at all. What I'm trying to say is कि he is massy and incredibly good at what he does. So he marries that mass entertainment concept beautifully well for the West. Like he brings that to them.
Fair.
Like it's mass entertainment. It's scale. It's vibe. It's dhadam dhadum. It's dishum. There is action. There is drama.
But
there
it's
is
what for Odyssey.
also
and-
cinematically incredible.
Incredible, bro.
Incredible.
His eye for detailing
And
is
it's also
madness.
smart.
Is madness.
Yeah.
You know, he writes his script on a maroon paper.
Yeah.
And I think it's so smart because he said, कि if I give it to an actor, my actor's talent manager cannot take a Xerox copy of it. And I said, whoa, genius! मैं भी same करने की कोशिश कर. You can't scan a red color paper. I did not know.
Yeah, but that's a very cool thing.
That's a very, very cool thing. How do you know it's good cinema?
नोलन की पिक्चर है ना, तू ही अपने आप को कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट कर रही है. फैन है ना असली. मैं शाहरुख की सब पिक्चर फर्स्ट डे फर्स्ट शो देखती थी.
Really?
फर्स्ट डे फर्स्ट शो ब्रो.
That is crazy. No, I did last time. You do.
तू गुस्सा होके निकल अभी. No, I'm just kidding. All right, okay, guys. So we jabbered a lot in the middle of this pod, which in all probability
We
will get
also
edited
fought.
out. Yeah,
We also fought.
we had a massive fight, and I was like, "निकल तू यहाँ से, नहीं करेंगे podcast." Let's see if the third happens. In the meanwhile, thank you so much for watching. I hope you got to know us a little better.
But
मुझे माफ करना.
still watch and please subscribe and please like, bro.
हाँ,
It's
watch,
okay.
subscribe, like. I'm terrible at all of this, so she's gonna say it for us.
It's okay even if you don't like us. Watch, like, subscribe.
Hate watch.
Comment also. It's okay.
गंदा. चुप कर. Okay, bye.
Okay, thank you.
I said bye to camera.
Cause babies, you're the right kind of wrong.